once again, welcome to Fit Mamamia Cooking. Today's recipe is shepherd pie. Okay, this is all the ingredients of the shepherd pie. This is 1.5 kilo of potatoes. I'm going to boil it and it's mashed later. This is 1.5 teaspoon of grounded black pepper, half teaspoon of grounded cinnamon, 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of raw sugar, and 2 big yellow onions I chopped into small pieces, and 5 pieces of shallot I sliced, and 2 whole garlic I chopped into small pieces. I'm using grounded beef, half kg, and 150 grams of mixed vegetables, green peas, carrots, and sweet corn, and the butter 100 grams. Okay, so let's start cooking. At first, I'm going to boil the potato. I add in 1 tablespoon of salt. Wait for the water to boil, and before I'm going to put the potato. So at the same time, I'm going to cook the filling. I'm using about 2 tablespoons of oil. Add in the garlic. So for about 1 minute, now I add in the shallot. Fry the shallot until it's slightly brown, just slightly. Okay, already turned to slightly brown, so I'm going to add in the yellow onion. Now I will add in the minced beef. The water already boiling, so I'm going to add in the potato. Now I will add in the salt, the grounded cinnamon, grounded black pepper, and the sugar. I need a little bit more salt. Add in about half teaspoon and a bit more black pepper. Black pepper. Okay, so now I can add in the mixed veggies. This rice, there's no juice in there. You can see rice. Yeah. So it's done. wait for the potato to boil and wait for the filling to cool, to make it cool. Almost done. Okay, so the potato already boiled. I have to take out and drain it. Okay, I have to save it for a while. Let the water go down. I want to be dry before I smash the potato. Okay guys, now I'm going to smash the potato. Press like this. It's easy. If you don't have the compressor guys, you can just press with a spoon. So this is it. I'm going to add in a little bit of butter, about 1 tablespoon. Slowly. Unsalted butter. A little bit. Nice. Okay, so this is the smashed potato. I'm going to put at the tray. Before I'm going to put at the tray, I'm going to put the butter and the pickle. I like to put the baking pickle because I don't want to stuck at my tray. The smashed potato I divide into two. Okay, divide into two for the bottom and for the top later. So now I'm going to put at the tray. Just make it flatten like this. Make sure your hand is clean. Now I can add in the filling inside. Must make sure that the filling is cold, because if not, the pie will be too soft. And there's no water. It's dry. Okay. Put the half potato that I smashed it just now. Flat. Slowly push. Use the hand. Flatten. So okay, it's done. I'm going to apply a butter on top. So it's done. Ready to bake. It's optional guys, you can make a design if you want to. Just like the pop, you can just press like this if you want a design, okay? Or the corner, just press for the corner. Okay, now so it's ready to bake. Okay, now my shepherd pie is ready to bake. I'm going to bake for 15 minutes with 200 degrees. Put in the oven. Okay. See you after 15 minutes. Shepherd pie is ready. So it's time to taste it. Mmm, it's creamy. Very good. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. See you soon. Bye.